Welcome to the Hotel Imperial Tokyo, where luxury meets tradition. Located in the heart of Tokyo, this iconic hotel offers an unforgettable blend of classic elegance and modern amenities. Experience impeccable service, world-class dining, and breathtaking views of the city skyline. Whether you're visiting for business or leisure, Hotel Imperial Tokyo promises a stay like no other. Check out my other videos for a closer look at the sights and experiences in and around the Hotel Imperial Tokyo. From nearby attractions to hidden gems, there's so much to explore. Don't miss out.